Hello, everyone. Hello, kindergartens. I cannot hear you. Hello. How about louder? Get that singing voice ready for some singing. Hello. Oh, now I can hear you. Well, nice to see you. I hope you had a nice long weekend and you did something fun. Maybe you went to the river, maybe you went to the ocean, maybe you went to see your grandparents. As long as you had fun and did stay safe, that's what matters. Well, it's music time again, and today we're gonna talk about beat in music. So please stand up on 2 feet, and I'm gonna ask you to place your 2 hands right over here and freeze and try to listen to your heart. Ready? Stand up. Freeze. Can you hear? Tick 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 tick. Tick 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 tick. Tick 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 tick. Now let's run in place very fast as you can. Ready? Let's go. Run. Keep on going, 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 keep on going. Stop. Place your hands same place where the heart is. What can you hear now? My heart goes tick 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 tick. It goes faster. So, do you see? Just like we have beat of our heart, and sometimes it goes slower, and sometimes it goes faster. Same thing with music. Music has a beat as well. Music does not have heart, but music can get in our heart. So our heart starts beating just as fast as the music is. So, if the music, the melody, the song is slow, then probably our heart is gonna calm as well, and it's gonna beat slow. Let's try. Try to hear the way music sounds and feel how your heart is going. Went slow, which means the beat was going slow. It doesn't make us going up on 2 feet and jumping, does it? No, it doesn't. It makes us probably waving one side and waving another. 1, 2. Would you please try and move along with this song? Right. The beat of this song was quite slow. 1, 2. Wave this way, this way. How about next one? You probably recognize the song, right? Old MacDonald had a farm. So the beat went faster. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, beat went faster, just like the heartbeat when we run, right? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. the songs have their beat just like every person has a heartbeat. Song has a beat, and it can be faster or slower. And therefore, when we're trying to move along with the song, we listen to the beat of the song and we're moving along with it. If the song is slow, beat is slow, we are moving slowly. If the song is fast, we're moving fast, the beat going fast. 1, 2, 1, 2. So always listen to the beat of the song. All right? Now, since we've talked and moved, it's time for us to sing. And it's time for us to go for those letter songs. So alphabet has 26 letters. So a few songs a week. At some point, we're gonna know all 26 songs. Wouldn't that be cool? And one lesson, when we'll know all of them, during that lesson, we'll sing all of them. From A to, what was that last letter in alphabet? A is first. Which one is last one? Any helpers? Did I hear Z? Are you sure? Are you sure Z? Let me check. You're right. Z is the last letter. So we're gonna sing all of them from A to Z. 26 of them. That's a lot of letters. So we better keep up and learning those songs. Last week we learned about letter S. Remember that? About singing songs. And letter M. About the monkey. Remember those? Well, today we're gonna get to letter R. Here is the uppercase R and smaller case R. And song is about a boy whose name is Roy. Let me move a little closer so you can see it even better. So the song is about a boy whose name is Roy. And there is a reason why we're learning the song about boys Roy and not the boy Tom or Scott, because Roy starts with letter R. R. Roy. R. Here's another letter R. So boy whose name was Roy has a dog, and dog's name starts with letter R again. The dog's name is Rover. So Roy's dog Rover running. Again another word starts with R. Runs all over. Rover runs. So lots of words start with letter R because the song is about letter R. And here's how it goes. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Let's try together. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Rover races. Rover chases. Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Bend down. We'll do some exercise while we're singing. Roy's dog chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over. Rover runs. At first, we're gonna make it like Royce is running. So we're gonna move. We're gonna do exercise and singing and learn about letter all at once. Okay? So here goes the song. I'm gonna sing it once again for you. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Lots of R's. Let's try it together. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Rover races. Rover chases. Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Let's get a few more times because this song goes quite fast. Let's see. Roy's dog Rover runs all over. Rover runs. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Rover races, Rover chases, Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Now we'll try with the music. Before I turn that song on, what do you think the beat of this song is gonna sound like? If the song is fast, then the beat is gonna be fast again. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Clap with beat. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Rover races, Rover chases, Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over, Rover runs. See how the beat kept on going? Fast, 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 along with the song. Well, I hope we are ready to get along with music. Ready? On your feet, on your feet. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Rover races, Rover chases, Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over, Rover runs. And clap with beat. And bounce again. Feel the beat of the song. Everyone on the beat. Everyone claps. Feel the beat. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Roy's dog Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Rover races, Rover chases, Rover chews on Roy's shoelaces. Oh yes, Rover runs all over, Rover runs. Did you do a good job? Did you? Then pat yourself on the shoulder. And if you didn't do the best, maybe in a few days you want to watch this again. And I guarantee you, you're going to get so much better. Well, we'll move to another letter. This time, we're going to get to letter C. Letter C. Now, I have a question for you. We'll do some math along with music. We have 26 letters. Remember I told you, 26 letters in the alphabet. Every letter has a song. So, letter A is the song number 1. Here comes question. What song number should I put to find the song for letter C? C, C. A is 1. 2 is gonna be B. That's kind of rhymes. It's kind of fun. B is gonna be 2. And that makes that letter C is gonna be song number 3. That's right. So if I put number 3, I should find the song for C. Well, letter C, it's quite tricky a bit. Even though they both have the same shape, the uppercase and the smaller case, but letter C makes different sounds. Sometimes it makes a sound K. Sometimes it makes a sound C. So it's a bit confusing. But we'll get better with it. So it's about cooking. So you see a boy, it's a bit mess over here. Has some eggs, some flour, some milk, some sugar, some oil. Looks like chocolate. What do you think he's cooking? Flour, eggs, chocolate chips around here, sugar? That sounds like chocolate chip cookies for me. Well, let's learn the song and maybe we'll deserve a cookie. I am sure your moms have some cookies left for you for when you do a good job. Okay, let's get to the song so we get to that cookie as well. So, song starts, every line starts with the word can. And once again, letter C, but the sound is k. Can you bake a cake? And we're gonna do some dancing along with it, a bit motions, so you're not falling asleep. Can you make a cake? So we pretend. And normally, who cooks cakes? Who bakes cakes? Mommies, right? Therefore, we're gonna use our high voice, just like moms have. Can you bake a cake? Can you bake a cake? And now, the next line is daddies get to the song. They cook the steak. And we sing, can you cook a T-bone steak? So it's a piece of meat and it has a bone, looks like letter T. That's why we call it T-bone. It's a bone, letter T. So first is mommy's voice on a high one. Can you bake a cake? Try with me. Can you bake a cake? And then low voices just like daddy's. Can you cook a T-bone steak? Next line is about chocolate. And chocolate starts with letter C as well. Quite tricky, as I said, but we can do it. Can you make a chocolate melted? Have you seen those chocolate fountains? It's like a column going up, and the chocolate like this. So the song's gonna go, can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make a chocolate melted? Next one is gonna be about ice cream shake. Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you make an ice cream shake? Sing along with me. Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Can you boil a cup of water? Cup. It's C as a letter, but it makes the sound k. Cup. Can you make a cup? Can you boil a cup of water? Can you boil a cup of water? Next one is cleaning. Again, starts with letter C, but sound is k. Sorry. Clean the dishes like your mommy. Clean the dishes. Clean the dishes like your mommies. Clean the dishes like your mommies. Can you bake a cake? Go with me. Can you bake a cake? And that's all for the song. Let's try again from all the way from the top. Can you bake a cake? Along with me. Can you bake a cake? Now, daddy's voice. Can you cook a T-bone steak? Can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Everyone, can you make an ice cream shake? Cup. Can you boil a cup of water? One more time. Can you boil a cup of water? We're getting to the clean. Clean the dishes like your mommy. Clean the dishes like your mommy. Can you bake a cake? That's right. Can you bake a cake? Now let's get to that song. Number 3. A, B, C. Song number 3. And we'll put this together and we're gonna be about done. I'm sure you're ready for that cookie then now. Here it comes. Can you bake a cake? Can you cook keep on saying, can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Clean the dishes like your mom? Can you bake a cake? So can cake, steak, chocolate melted, ice cream shake, cup of water, cleaning, baking a cake. And we'll sing one more. Can you bake a cake? Can you cook a T-bone steak? Can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Clean the dishes like your mommy? Can you bake a cake? That was a little challenging song. Perhaps we should do it one more last time. Ready? Last time. Can you bake a cake? Can you cook a T-bone steak? Can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Clean the dishes like your mommy? Can you bake a cake? Now clap with beat. And we'll sing last time. Can you bake a cake? Can you cook a T-bone steak? Can you make a chocolate melted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Clean the dishes like your mommy? Can you bake a cake? And once again, if you did a good job, pat yourself on the shoulder. If you did a very good job, pat yourself on another shoulder as well. Well, we work hard today. We learn about the beat. Beat can be fast. Beat can be slow in the song. Just like our heartbeat. We learn about letter R song. We learn the song about letter C. And it's time for you to rest a bit. So I will look forward to see you next week. Until then, stay safe and sing around the house. Bye!